Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today let's make a tea time favorites that's crispy outside, soft inside aloo cutlet. So let's get started. Take 3 to 4 boiled potatoes and mash them well. Make sure potatoes are fully cooled before mashing to avoid sogginess. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chat masala and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add some fresh coriander leaves for that burst of flavor. Mix everything well. Potatoes provide energy and rich in potassium. Adding coriander and spices boosts digestion. Now add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to bind the mixture. Mix well again. Adjust breadcrumbs to get the perfect shaping consistency. Now grease your hands with a little oil and shape the mixture into cutlets. Let's prepare the flour slurry. Take 1/4 cup flour and mix with 1/3 cup of water to make a smooth lump-free mixture. Dip each cutlet into the slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs for that perfect crunch. For extra crunch, double coat with slurry and breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan, not too hot, just medium. Fry the cutlet until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. Fry on medium heat to cook evenly and avoid burning the outside. Aloo cutlets were a favorite snack during British rule in India with a spicy twist added by locals. And that's it. Your aloo cutlets are ready to serve. See you next time with more homemade goodness. Stay happy, stay hungry, and keep cooking with love.